Okay, so I saw a new trick this week about how you can translate content on Google Sheets into other languages, and I thought of some ideas that could be done because anybody that uses RYS or any of the other tools that talk about the authority of using Google products and ranking with them, this kind of fits into that method. So what I've done is I've gone to my on-page content for a site called Interior Decorating, and here I've got all my URLs, H1s, which they have some issues, and I'm fixing all these, but the title tags and the meta descriptions for each page on the site. Now in this case there are, I don't know how many thousands, let's see, 50,000 pages that we need to do. But I'm just going to show you as an example. I'm going to take about 15 of them. So let's go grab 15 of these, and I'm going to take the titles and descriptions. I don't know where that is, somewhere around there. And on a new one here, I'm going to paste this information. And so they're all right here. Spread out these just a little bit. So in this situation, what I'm going to do is I want to create a couple more columns. So I'm going to do a column. I'm just going to go up here to column D, and I'm going to insert one to the left there, and I want to insert another one. Let's go ahead and wrap these so I'm not probably have to do these one at a time, it looks like. I think that's the only one that needs it. Okay, I don't need my H1, so I'm just going to delete them so they're out of the way. Let's delete column. There we go. Okay, so this column is actually going to be a Spanish translation. We'll call this one Spanish translation link. So what I'm actually going to do is convert the title tags for each one of these pages into Spanish, and then have that text linked to the page that it originates from. So to do this, I'm going to go in, I'm going to do equals Google Translate, and then I'm going to go back and click on, oops, I actually need it to be A2, or sorry, B2, there we go. And then I'm going to comma, and it's currently in English, comma, I'm going to change it to Spanish, and there's a bunch of different languages you can do. I'll put that in the video description, and that's going to load it up there, and now you see the text in Spanish. And now all I have to do, highlight that column, grab the little box, bring it down, and it's going to do it for every single one of those. And then in the translation link, I am going to do equals hyperlink, and I want that to be, I got to make sure I do this right. I believe I have to click here, comma, here. So C2A2. We're going to see if that's the correct one or not here. Nope, I did it reverse. So it will be A2, C2. And so now all that text is a link to the actual site. And I'm going to do the same thing here. So now when I go embed this, or if I create a Spanish page, like on Google Sites or something like that, I can turn around and use this content and actually have Spanish links going back to those pages, and hopefully increasing my search rankings for those keywords. But just thought I'd share that with you, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.